When you have brown skin, sometimes it can feel impossible to find your perfect foundation shade, but L'Oreal claims that 99% of women have been able to find their shade with True Match. So, I had to put it to the test. But first, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Desiree, but I go by Motley Girl. So I grabbed 3 shades, N10, N9, and because I couldn't find shade N8 in the foundation, I just grabbed it in the concealer. Now I'm just swatching all 3 shades for you, and even though I'm swatching them on my jawline, you really want to make sure that you match your foundation to your neck because you want everything to blend nice and seamlessly. I'm going to swatch N8 on my chest and N9 on the chest. See, it's a little too dark, but you know what? I'm going to try to make it work. When you're putting on your foundation, you never want to apply it directly to the brush because it's just going to soak into the bristles and you're going to waste a lot of product. I just like to pump it on the back of my hand, do one side of the face, and I always blend out my foundation with a dense foundation brush. First impression, it feels very, very lightweight. It literally feels like I don't have anything on. I feel like you can build up the coverage, which is nice because I actually prefer a light to medium coverage foundation. Let me know down below in the comments, are you a light, medium, or full coverage foundation? And let's see if it covers up our dark circles here. Because normally I cannot go without a color corrector. Here's a close-up. No foundation, foundation. I feel like it looks beautiful. It's a beautiful finish. I feel like it melts right into the skin. So let's see what it looks like when my makeup is completely done. Now that my makeup is done, I completely understand the hype with this foundation. When I tell you, I don't think I've ever put on a foundation that feels this lightweight on my skin. It literally feels like I have nothing on my face at all. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. I feel like it's absolutely flawless. So have I found my True Match shade? Yes and no, because I feel like the neutral undertone, while it looks a little bit red in person on camera, I feel like it looks perfect. So I did make it work. But going forward, I probably will grab one that has a warm undertone. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know, have you tried the L'Oreal True Match Foundation? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.